gas lines in your house, most of them are going to be the old black steel gas lines. The gas company, they help us out. They put a product in the gas to make it smell like rotten eggs. If you're smelling rotten eggs somewhere by the gas line, it might even be by the gas meter outside. It could be by your furnace or by your water heater or by your gas stove. If you're getting a little whiff of rotten egg smell, that's typically a sign you've got a gas leak somewhere. If it's bad enough, the first thing you should do is go ahead and call the gas company, and they can come out and they've got gas sniffers, and a lot of times they can pinpoint that leak. And then depending on how bad the leak is, if it's not that bad, if it's right at the appliance, they'll basically just shut that appliance off and tell you to call a plumber to make the repair. Now, if the gas leak is bad enough, or if they find multiple gas leaks on the old pipes in your basement, sometimes they're gonna plug the meter and they're gonna lock the meter out, which means you're not gonna have any gas to your house at all until you get all those repairs done. Older houses, you can have multiple leaks on an old gas pipe where the pipes just get loose. The pipe dope dries out over time, and you get a little bit of a leak. In some of the newer houses, they're running CSST, which is corrugated stainless steel tubing, and that's either going to have a yellow coating or a black coating on it, and it's going to be flexible. Now, the stuff with the yellow coating, by code, it needs to be bonded or grounded to your electrical box because it's so thin-walled. If your house got struck by lightning, it could actually blow a hole in that gas pipe. The CSST with the black cover on it now, that black cover, it's a carbon cover, and that actually absorbs the lightning strike. So by code, the black coated stuff does not need to be bonded or grounded to the electrical box. Those are good for additions to housing. If you got a new addition with a new fireplace or you're adding a furnace, it's easier to snake them through walls or to get them in the location you're trying to put the new stuff. But if we're going back in, like from the meter to your house, we're still going to use steel pipe because the flexible corrugated stuff is not supposed to go through walls or 2x4s. Anytime you penetrate a 2x4 or a wall, that needs to be a piece of steel pipe. So you can run the flexible stuff up to the wall, then it has to be a steel pipe going through the wall, and then you could switch back over to the flexible corrugated stuff. Anytime you smell a leak, smell that rotten egg odor, that you need to call either a plumber or the gas company. If it's very, very bad, leave the house, make the phone call from your neighbor's house. Basically, don't turn on any light switches, don't use any electrical devices. If it's overpowering, just leave the house, call the gas company from your neighbor's house.